Simple bread, smarter daily fuel. I was not looking for a miracle bread, just something that would not leave me heavy and tired after eating. After years of regular white bread, I tried a simple homemade loaf made from oat seeds and natural binders. The difference was quiet but clear: better digestion, steadier energy, and less craving for snacks. How high-fiber bread works: slows digestion and feeds gut. Fiber-rich ingredients like oats, flaxseed, and psyllium help slow glucose absorption and support gut bacteria. Research in Nutrients in the Journal of Nutrition shows dietary fiber supports heart and metabolic health when part of a balanced diet. Guidance aligned with WHO Mayo Clinic and NE highlights whole grains and fiber as key elements in long-term health patterns. What I noticed and what science suggests: steady energy. Fiber helps avoid rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes. I use 2 small slices per meal. Digestion comfort. Prebiotic fibers support beneficial gut bacteria. Satiety. Meals felt more filling with less need for snacking. Heart support. Fiber is linked with improved cholesterol balance. Weight balance. High-fiber foods help control portion size naturally. The challenge was taste and texture. Gluten-free bread can feel dense at first. I improved it by adding herbs, olive oil, and seeds for better flavor. Over time, it became part of my routine, not a replacement, but a better option. Simple ingredients for yeast-free, gluten-free bread: oat flour or ground oats, flaxseed or chia seeds, psyllium husk for structure, water, and a pinch of salt. Bake until firm and slice after cooling. How to include it daily: pair with eggs or yogurt for protein. Add avocado or vegetables for balance. Heat portions, moderate, and avoid overeating even healthy foods. Scientific perspective without exaggeration. No single food determines lifespan. Studies in Nutrients emphasize overall dietary patterns, not individual items. Balance eating, physical activity, and sleep remain essential. Effects vary by person and condition. Some people may not tolerate certain fibers. Consult a doctor before major dietary changes. Possible downside: excess fiber may cause bloating. How I tracked progress. I noticed energy levels, digestion, and hunger between meals. Consistent small improvements mattered more than quick results. This is not a guarantee of longevity. It is a smarter daily choice that supports your body. Try it for a week and observe. Like and share if this helped. Small habits build a longer, stronger life.